What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will discuss how to get a Bank of America business credit card in 30 days. A family member of mine wanted to start applying for business credit cards to fund her business, and she came to me asking me, Mark, I really want to start building business credit and getting these business credit cards to help continue funding her business and fund her other business ideas. So she really wanted a business credit card. So I said, all right, let's do this. I will help you. And after discussing her business needs, she really liked Bank of America. And I was like, okay, well, let's get that approval. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about what steps you can take to receive an approval for a Bank of America business credit card in 30 days, and a little bit about her data points in obtaining the Business Advantage Customized Cash Rewards credit card. The first thing I want to discuss is having a business checking account with Bank of America. Having a business checking account with Bank of America is important because of how relationship driven they are. Getting approved for a business credit card with them can be very difficult if you don't have any business banking or relationship with them. When opening a business checking account with Bank of America, their lowest tier business bank account is the Business Advantage Fundamentals Banking. To avoid a $16 monthly fee, you want to meet one of the requirements for each statement cycle. So you want to maintain at least a $5,000 combined average monthly balance, spend at least $250 in new net qualified debit purchases, or become a Preferred Rewards business member. And most of the time, if you are applying for a Bank of America business credit card with no relationship, they will ask for documentation. So depending on how your business is set up, will determine what information they will request from you. So for example, if you have an LLC, they may ask for your articles of organization, proof of ownership, a copy of your EIN, and so on. But when you have a business checking account, that may satisfy your documentation proof. That's why having a relationship with Bank of America is very important. You may guarantee your approval if you already have a business checking account with them. When it was time to apply for the Bank of America business credit card, no documentation was needed whatsoever. But having regular deposits into the account will only help you continue building that relationship. And I also want to note that she applied for the Business Advantage Customized Cash Rewards credit card under her LLC. And this is exactly how my family member got her first business Bank of America credit card with only a 30-day relationship. So for example, when my family member opened the account, she made sure to make some deposits into the account. That's already given when you have a business checking account. So in order for her to receive her approval, I had her do a couple of things. I had her deposit $5,000 into the account and had it sit there for 30 days. Throughout the month, she was depositing money into the account here and there, showing Bank of America she does in fact have money flowing into the account. She had a relatively new credit profile and only had 3 credit cards on her account, all under 2 years. The credit limits on those were all under $4,000, and she was approved for a $6,500 starting credit limit on the Business Advantage Customized Cash Rewards credit card. Considering that her profile is still new with only 3 credit cards and no loans, and her business checking account was only 30 days old, that just goes to show how relationship driven Bank of America is. And with that relationship she built within 30 days, she got approved for a business credit card with a decent credit limit. Business credit card limits are determined mainly by how high your personal credit limits are. So if she had a credit card that had a $10,000 to $25,000 credit limit, we could have seen a much higher starting credit limit. Her score at the time of when she applied was 747 with a clean credit profile. She had no late payments, no derogatories, and few inquiries. I want to encourage someone watching this video that you too can get a business credit card with Bank of America without having an extensive diversified credit portfolio, because Bank of America is a relationship bank. When you apply for a Bank of America business credit card, Bank of America will look into any pre-existing business checking account that you have with them. If they can see that you have a substantial amount sitting in the bank with deposits flowing in, the sky is the limit for how much business credit you can obtain. And this is why it's important to know which banks value relationships over credit. Since she had applied for the card with an existing Bank of America relationship, the business checking account, that guaranteed her approval. Suppose she had no business checking account, no money sitting in the bank, no proof of deposits, and applied with a thin credit profile. In that case, this could have gone a different way because her credit would have been the only determining factor in her approval. And Bank of America denies people if they have not established a relationship. Thankfully, those 30 days showed loyalty, responsibility, and relationship. So she did not have to provide any documentation or proof at all. But if asked to, that would have been no problem. So I want to show you guys that it is in fact possible to receive a Bank of America business credit card within 30 days if you are willing to grow your relationship with them. And although it isn't the only way to receive a business credit card with Bank of America, it has shown to work. I hope this video was of encouragement to those who want to apply for a business credit card with Bank of America and hopefully guarantee their approval within 30 days. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.